Keep talking about. You're up there making a lot of noise. Why you keep talking? I'm inside and you're bothering me. You bugging on me. You're bugging on me. There's that bird. He bugging on you. I can find you. I can find you. Go on and say something now. Hard to see me. This camera right here. They got them so you can't see in the daytime. I'm half blind anyway. What you gonna say? Go on and say it now while I'm got my camera on you. What you want me to do the talking? You gonna do the listening for a little while? A while ago you were doing a lot of talking. You were doing a lot of talking a while ago. Who you calling? You calling your female friend? And inside that bird kept on and on and on and on and on, wouldn't shut up. I come outside and started talking. He's being quiet a little bit now, listening. I seen another bird fly by. It might be the female. You still got pecans over there. I just seen a bird go down over there where the pecans are. That raccoon gonna be mad tonight whenever y'all eat all the pecans up. There ain't no more. I know, I hear you. I'm gonna be quiet, see if he'll start talking again. I can't hardly hold my hands up. All right, I'm gonna stop the video. I'm going back inside. I ain't got time to stay out here and just listen to you jabber on. Stop this video.